A device useful for making precise length measurements is the Vernier Caliper. The Vernier Caliper has additional markings on the device to improve our ability to make careful measurements. Solemn is going to demonstrate the proper use of Vernier Calipers. Most of the time, you will use the calipers in the pinching mode. That is, you will place the object to be measured inside the calipers as Solemn is doing with the small glass bottle. There are two nuts on the calipers. One is used to slide the arm open and shut, while the other is used to lock the arm in position to facilitate reading. Make sure the arm is unlocked by loosening the top nut. This will allow the arm to move when operating the slider with your thumb. Notice how Solemn closes the calipers over the object to be measured. The arms of the caliper make contact without any gaps, but they are not too tight as to cause deformation. You should be able to slide the calipers back and forth while not feeling or seeing any gaps between the calipers and the object. Once the calipers are closed appropriately, lightly tighten the top nut to lock the arms in place. Now you are ready to read. Notice that there are two lines of graduations. One is fixed and one resembles a traditional ruler, and the other can slide back and forth with the calipers. We will use both of these to make the measurement. Use the leftmost line on the slider as a pointer to read the fixed scale. Here we see the line is between 2.6 and 2.7. The 2 is hidden, and that slightly longer line is 2.5. Right now the measurement is 2.6, and we will use the slider to get the second decimal place. Look along the slider until you find a line on the slider that lines up with a line on the fixed scale. Once these are located, count over on the slider from left to right. When you come to the line that lines up best, then that is the second decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The ninth line lines up best, so the reading is 2.69. You try this one, and then we'll check. Using the leftmost line, the measurement is between 3.8 and 3.9. Looking at the lines on the slider, it looks like this one lines up best. Counting over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, makes the measurement 3.85. In addition to the way we made the measurement of the bottle's outside diameter, you can also use the calipers for measuring the inner diameter as well as the depth. That's why there is a metal strip that sticks out of the rear of the arm. Thanks, Solemn.